Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how we warm up our Facebook account using NKT Care software. The first function to warm up our account is account interactions. Here we will choose add scripts and we click on add scripts. We could click on this to edit the script name. For example, I will set a script warm up one, and you could see in the table with general interactions we will take on the activities that we want our account do it. For example, the first step is read notification and scroll newsfeeds for 50 to 60 seconds. You could shorten or lengthen the times as you wish. And scroll stories. If your account have many friends already, we could choose scroll stories from 10 to 20 seconds, for example, and react to random story. We could respond also if you want, and we just enter the content here, for example, like all of it. Each content will be aligned, and we press save. We could let the account scroll video also. We could scroll by keyword or random. Okay. We have some kind of activities with our friends, like interact with how many friends, for example, react to our friend post, for example, 1 to 3 post, or we add add friends with the friends of mine, like 2 or 3 friends, and we could do group interactions, a scroll group feed, and react to group comment, any activities that you want your account to do. With the total number of actions running, for example, I would say 3. So among 11 activities we select before, the each account will do randomly 3 action among 11 actions we have chosen, and the interval between 2 actions we usually set it from 20 to 30 seconds. So the tips is to make the scripts contain the activities like you use Facebook humanly. For example, every day we use our Facebook to read notification or search for newest new or new feed or something like that, or interact with our friends. So we just need to create the script interactions scripts to letting our account automatically interact like real people. This is the first one. How we warm up the account is the first steps, and we press save. Once we have the scripts, we just choose the script here, warm up one, and we choose the account that you want to run. For example, this, we take on the account and we press start to begin let the account interactions. The second ones, if you want to warm up your account, is post function, and we do personal post. It means we will post to our personal wall. First, we will select the category. For example, it's my account. We tick on the account that we want to run. And with general configurations, we choose interval between 2 actions. For example, I set from 20 to 30 seconds. And switch account if consecutive error we set to 2 or 3 times. With content configurations, we could select content from the list of the posts that we have. We press save, and we could set each account post how many posts. There you go. We press start to begin posting to the personal wall. That is the second tips. We make the account interact like real people. And the third tips is we post story to the account. we have the story posting function here, and first we need to choose the account here. Okay, the interval between two actions usually set it from 20 to 30 seconds. You see the step is the same with personal post. So we select content, stories, we press save, and um we press start to begin post stories to our account. So you guys will wonder how we create the story content, right? We could create the story content in content management, and we add post. We select the category, for example, reels. The type is story, you see, and we have the story post type, a text, image or video, which is upload image or video here, for example, like this video. Okay, we open and we press save. Okay, so we'll have the content in story functions here, you see. We press save. Okay, that's the three tips. We warm up the account with a new account or newly account added to MPT Care software. Thus will make the account interact like real people and will limit the rate of locking the account because you run spamming or commenting or posting or something. Hope you guys enjoy my video and see you